This is pull pin tips and tricks from Let's Go Aero. To use the pull pins, pull on both round handles out and turn 90 degrees to lock pull pins from snapping back into place. Fold the rack up or down and return each pull pin 90 degrees to snap with an audible click back into place. First, install the jam nut onto the pull pin. Thread the pull pin into the tilting twin tube. Do not over-rotate the threaded shaft of the pull pin into the inside wall of the twin tube. If the threads of the pull pin come out the other side of the hole, it's been threaded in too far. Only the button of the pull pin will come through the other side of the hole. Tighten the jam nut with an adjustable wrench a final quarter turn clockwise. Consult your user manual and learn more at letsgoaero.com.